Looking to breathe cleaner air and feel more peaceful at home? These 10 houseplants not only look beautiful, they also purify the air you breathe, quietly working in the background to make your space healthier. Whether you're new to plants or already have a little jungle, these are easy to care for, low maintenance, and seriously rewarding. 1. Snake plant, Dracaena trifasciata. The snake plant is often called mother-in-law's tongue, but don't let the name scare you. It's one of the easiest plants to care for. Place it in a bedroom or hallway with low to medium light. It doesn't mind if you forget to water it for a few weeks. What's special? It purifies the air at night, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen while you sleep. Perfect bedside companion. 2. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. The peace lily is both elegant and functional. Those glossy green leaves and graceful white blooms brighten up any room, especially bathrooms and kitchens. It enjoys medium to bright indirect light and weekly watering. It's known to absorb mold spores and airborne toxins like ammonia and formaldehyde. Just a little misting now and then, and this plant will reward you with cleaner air and calm vibes. 3. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. If you want something cheerful and pet-safe, the spider plant is your go-to. It thrives in bright, indirect light and likes a light drink about once a week. It produces adorable little spiderettes that hang down like natural decorations. This plant helps fight pollutants like carbon monoxide and benzene, and it also improves humidity. Great for dry indoor spaces. 4. Aloe vera. Aloe isn't just for sunburns. It's a hardworking houseplant that loves sunny spots like windowsills. Give it plenty of sunlight, water it only when the soil is dry, and let it do the rest. It removes toxins like formaldehyde while doubling as a healing plant. Snap a leaf and use the gel for minor cuts or skin irritation. It's a mini first aid kit in a pot. 5. Golden pothos, Epipremnum aureum. This trailing vine is almost impossible to kill and thrives in all kinds of light, from bright to low. Water it when the topsoil feels dry. It's fantastic for hanging baskets, shelves, or even letting it trail from the top of a bookcase. Golden pothos is known for removing formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide from the air, and it grows fast, so it's fun to watch. By the way, do you already have any of these plants in your home? Or are you thinking of adding one to your space? Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite so far. I always love hearing what you're growing. 6. Areca palm. If you're looking for something tall and elegant, try the areca palm. It enjoys bright, indirect light and prefers its soil to stay lightly moist. Besides being a natural humidifier, it's great for large living rooms or near sunny windows. The soft, feathery leaves gently sway with the breeze and bring a tropical feel indoors while filtering airborne toxins. 7. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. This bold plant has thick, glossy leaves and a sculptural look. It prefers bright, indirect light and watering once the top few inches of soil dry out. Rubber plants absorb carbon dioxide and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, helping detoxify your space. They make a strong visual statement, especially in a corner of a room or by a bright doorway. 8. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia. The ZZ plant is one of the lowest maintenance air purifiers out there. It survives low light, irregular watering, and still looks shiny and green. Place it in a dim hallway or home office. It'll handle it like a champ. It removes harmful chemicals like xylene and toluene and is perfect for people who want greenery without the hassle. 9. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata. Boston ferns are known for their soft, fluffy fronds that bring charm to any room. They love humidity and filtered light, so they do well in bathrooms or kitchens. Keep the soil consistently moist and mist regularly. They're natural air humidifiers and help remove formaldehyde, especially from synthetic household items. 10. Philodendron, heartleaf or velvet varieties. Philodendrons are lush, fast-growing, and forgiving. They enjoy medium to bright indirect light and only need water when the soil begins to dry. These plants are known to absorb formaldehyde and are ideal for hanging baskets or as shelf decor. Plus, their heart-shaped leaves add a sweet touch to your indoor plant collection. That's our list.